वेट करूँगा।
So start. So we will style this whole index.html page with our style.css. So we have written here the star, which is used for styling all the HTML page. In it we have margin, that is 0 pixels, padding 0 pixels, and we have taken next main, which in which all content we have to write. So first is width, that is 100%. Next is height, that is 100 vh. Background is black, and position, that is relative. And next we have font family, that is Poppins. And after that we have nav. Inside nav we will write about width, that is 84%. 84%. After that we have margin, that is auto. After it we have padding, that is 20 pixels and 0. After that we have display, that is flex. And last is align items, that is align items, that is equal to center. And sorry, last is justify content, that is space between. So after that we will write about our logo that we have put by using dot class selector logo, and inside it we will write width, that is 80 pixels. After it our cursor, that should be pointer. And last is border, that is 10 pixels solid and transparent. So we will save this and check this in browser. So the color has changed. 1 second. 10 pixels solid, 10 pixels solid and transparent. So we have not written the color of gold. This is the homo code A38 C23. Now we will save and check this. A38.
Are we supposed to mention transparent and the hexacode together, or do you have to mention only the hexacode?
Only a hexacode.
Yes.
So we will save and check this in browser. So we have border of golden color. After that we have the nav ul and li. So the display is inline block, After that we have list style. So we have none. After that we have margin, that is 10 pixels and 20 pixels, that is 20 pixels. So after it we have nav, ul, li and a, that is used for links. So we will write about text decoration, that is none. And last we have color, that is golden color, and its homo code is this hash A38 C23. So after it we will save it. And to check in browser, so they have color change into gold color, and to make it in hover and green color we will write nav, ul, li and a, and we will write after a hover, and color should be green, and its homo code for green is hash 1d 7 9 and 1a. So hash one second, I have missed. We will save this and check. So one second, it's nav, ul, we have not put semicolon. After it 1D791A.
Have you specified which property should have this hexa code? You have to write color, right? The
Yes,
text color. Yeah.
sorry. So now we will save and check. So it's changing the color to green when we hover over it, and after that we will write in index.html page. After that we have hire me button. After ul, we will use a href is equal to hash. Inside we have class is equal to btn, that is used for button. Inside we have hire me button, hire me. And after nav we will open another div button, another div. Inside that div we will write class is equal to info info, and after info we will open h1 tab. Inside h1 we will write I am, by opening span tag. Inside span we will write Pratham, after it Pratham Keval Ramani, and I am Pratham Keval Ramani, and after in next line we will open another h1. Inside it I will be writing I am a web developer and a gamer, and web developer gamer, and after h1 we will open another h1 tag, and inside we will write to my welcome to my portfolio website. Welcome to my portfolio website, where I put BR tag for breaking the row, where I put my my related things. Work related things. After it we will write about, so here we will open p tag, which is paragraph tag. P tag. After it we will a tag. href is equal to hash. Inside it class is equal to btn, and it will be download cv button. So we will save this and check in our browser. So here we have hire me button. Span tag h1, welcome to my portfolio. Info button, span.
Okay, so summarizing whatever you've done till now, you've completed with your navbar, and then you've started with your main content, is it? Like you've written your name and your web developer and gamer, and also you've provided a button called download CD, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So after that we will open a div. that inside there we will write class. Once again, class that is equal to image hyphen image box. After that we have image source, that is try.jpg. Image source is try.jpg, and class is equal to man hyphen image. So after we will save and check in our web browser. So here we have our image, and after that we will do our styling by using style.css. After we have .btn, dot button, its background should be of golden color, and its homo code is 38C23. After that we have border radius that is 5 pixels, and after it we have padding, that is 10 pixels and 18 pixels, and after it text decoration. After it we have text decoration, that is none, and second we have color, and this is the homo code for white color, and after it we have display, that is display is inline block. After display we have border, once again. Yes, after this we have border, that is 1 pixels, solid and transparent. So we will save this and check in our browser. So here we have hire me, but it's not changing its color. So we will write by button hover by dot, that is class selector btn. After that hover, and inside it we will write background, that is transparent, and after that we have color, its color should be white, and its homo code is #1d, and after it 791a, and last we have border, sorry, one second. Lash wave border, that is 1 pixels solid, and it's should be of golden color. So we know the home code, that is hash 38C23. We will save this and check in browser. One second. Background is transparent, solid.
Could you check the hexa code? Is it 38C23 or A38C23?
Sorry, it's A33.
And also, can you check the syntax in line 46? Line 46?
Yes,
Okay.
1 second. Now we will save this and check in our web browser. So it's changing its color when you click on it. After that we have info, inside it we have margin left, that is 8%, and after it we have margin top, that is 10%. So after we have info, again info h1, that we have written in HTML page, that is I am Pratham Keval Ramana. We will style this by using font size. Font size is equal to 40 pixels, and after it we have color, that is RGB, and first is 204 and second should be also 204 and 202. We will save this much and check. So here we have Pratham Keval, web developer and gaming, and after it we will write about para, that p tag. Before it we have info, and we will change its color to green color by writing its home code, hash 1d 7 9 and 1 8. So we will see, and h1 span info span info. After it we have info p tag, which we have written. After it we have color, that is equal to next homo code 828 and C23. Next we have line height, sorry, one second. Next we have line height, that is 22 pixels. And next we have margin top, that is 10 pixels. And last we have margin bottom, that should be 30 pixels. And we will save this much and check in our browser. So we have download CV button. After that we will write in our index.html and give links and image, man image. After here we will open another div, that is class is equal to social, excuse me, social, and we will give links by a href is the hashtag. Second we will open an r tag inside it, that is r tag, and here we will write class, that is equal to fab fa hyphen facebook hyphen square. This is link for Facebook. We will copy this and paste here, and we will change the name for third one, it's linked, and for second one it would be dribble. So our HTML page is completed. Once again we will now style that links that we have written. After it we will use social by dot social, social, that is we have margin left, that is equal to 8%. Next we have margin margin top, that is 25 pixels, and after that we will style that links dot, that is class selector, social a, that for links, and we have font size, that is 28 pixels. Next we have color, that will be golden only, and its homo code is 38 and C23. And last is margin right, that is 20 pixels. Now we will save it, and after that we have next by that is social a hover first dot class selector, social, and a and hover, and the color would be green only. We have this. After it we will write about that image box, that is img hyphen box and img, and its height should be 350 px. Next it would be position should be absolute. Next is it should be left and 60% left, 60%. After it we have bottom, that is 128% px. Next is transform, which is transplant, it should be 50%, that is 50%. And after it we have transition. After this we have transition, that is bottom 1 second. After we have left, it will be moving in left after 1 second. After it we have box shadow, box shadow, that is inset 0 pixels, 10 pixels, and last 20 in black. color would be black, and last would be the border, that is 1 pixel solid and golden color 30 C23. So we will save this much and refresh. So we have this download CV 3 links, and we will one last step is left, that is .img image box over, and that is, it should be bottom, and 40 pixels, and image box, and only last step is left, it is img box over, and dot man hyphen image, it should be in left, and left 54%. We will save this in our HTML.
Okay, can you check if you've given styling to the class image box? Class image box alone.
Which line?
Um, you've given styling to image box img, right? Have you
Yes.
given styling to image box alone? Like
Yes,
dot
ma'am.
img box?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
992.
that's hover, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you use the class selector and use this img box? Can we give CSS to dot .img box class? No, that is correct. Let that be. Yeah.
Yes.
Just add another like after line 96. Just add a class selector
Yes.
and img box.
IMG.
Img box. We will style this
Yes.
and give the curly brackets and give it width 45%.
Yes. Width 45%.
Then we have a height 80%.
Yes. Height 80%.
Then what else can you give? Can you give position absolute? Try giving position absolute.
Position absolute.
And yeah, check the position on the screen now and then manipulate the position using right. Okay, refresh and check. Okay, so you need bottom 0,
Yes. Bottom 0.
0. And now check where the image is. Save this and check. Okay, and now all you need is you have to put it towards the right, right?
Yes.
So just give right and then specify the value.
Right.
Try 150 or something. Let's see if it works.
1996 pixels.
Let's try with that value.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So,
So the portfolio is ready.
okay. So, I would like to ask you some questions. So, could you tell me about your experience while learning in Codekaroyaaro?
Yes, it was a good experience and new to me to learn coding.
Okay. And how are the teachers? How are the faculty here?
They were very good and friendly to me.
Okay. So,
Yes.
are these sessions you receive here of any use to you in your real life? Like, are you able to code?
Yes, I am able to code it in front of in my school also. It's very useful.
Okay. You enjoy coding now, or
Yes, I am enjoying it and it's very new. So yes, I am enjoying it.
okay? So that's all we have for today. Do stay tuned and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and connect with us on LinkedIn. Do visit our website for more information, and the link is in the description. Thank you so much for attending this session, and we will be back with another session very soon.